Hello, and thanks for joining today and tuning into this episode where we're going to talk about the Sawyer permethrin pesticide treatment for your backcountry clothing. So stay tuned and we'll get into it. Thanks again for tuning into the channel. Today we're going to be diving into a really pretty simple product, the Sawyer permethrin pesticide, to treat your backcountry clothing, to repel and kill actually mosquitoes and ticks and the pests that we sometimes get exposed to when we're back in the bush. So the product's pretty simple. You take it out of the box, you put the sprayer into the 24-ounce bottle, and the goal is to spray your outer clothing that you plan to wear. And so that would be the outside of your socks, your trekking pants, and your shirt, so that the outside of all around the clothing, front and back, is coated and becomes damp, and there's some additives in this solution that help it absorb and adhere to the clothing fibers of your clothing. And then once that dries, air dries for 2 to 4 hours, then it should last for up to 6 machine washings and provide you protection during that whole time. So you just don't want to spray it on any undergarments, so undershirts, undershorts, long thermals, anything that's going to be in direct contact with your skin, including hats or bandanas, the inside of your socks. Just keep it away from items that are going to have long-term exposure to your skin, and certainly keep it away from pets and children, that kind of thing. In particular, the product can be damaging and potentially lethal to cats when it's in its liquid state. And once the product is completely dried, then it doesn't pose any threat to cats if you have them. So we're now gonna go outside. We've got some clean laundered backcountry gear, and we're gonna spray the product on the front and back, 6 to 8 inches away, outdoors in a well-ventilated area, and let that dry for 2 to 4 hours. That's it. Okay, so it's that easy to treat your clothing with the Sawyer permethrin pesticide spray to protect yourself from ticks and mosquitoes when you're in the backcountry, or if you just want to treat your clothing for work in the yard, fishing trips, hunting, that kind of thing. So it's available in my area from Tractor Supply on the shelf, and also at Walmart, and it's easy to get via Amazon online. And prices that I experienced at this time ranged from about $14 to about $19. So, and then, you know, I think with a couple of bottles I treated about 8 large pieces of gear, clothing, you know, tops and bottoms, and a few pair of socks. So when you can, get up, get out, live a little. See ya.
They're much more airy
Wow,
than malted milk balls. You can inhale them.
that's amazing.
Try a gummy
I
bear
need
yet?
to try a gummy bear.
It's a big white one.
This is my favorite flavor too.
I have no idea.